Welcome to the Right Corner YouTube channel. If it's your first time tuning in, please subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much. The ZANU-PF political party has posted on their X account claiming that Zimbabweans are changing their lives for the better. This statement was made in relation to the return of members of the Joan Masowe Velvet Church from a trip to Dubai. However, this claim has been met with criticism from some quarters who allege that the trip was actually a state-sanctioned smuggling mission and has nothing to do with the church or religion. This controversy comes amid ongoing concerns about corruption and smuggling activities in Zimbabwe, particularly in the diamond and gold industries. It remains to be seen how the ZANU-PF will respond to these allegations and whether they will address the concerns of their critics. Let's get to hear what you think about all this. Thank you for watching the Right Corner YouTube channel. Please subscribe.